I'm gonna do a quick walkthrough here. This is our last week here in Florida. Our 5 months have come to an end. We've really been enjoying being snowbirds for 2022 through the 2023 season. So I'm gonna do you a quick walkthrough of our last day here at the Village Parkway Resort. I love the colors. You can see the blue couch let out. As well, you see Melissa out there on the phone talking to her mom. This is a nice little spot here. I'm gonna continue to walk around here. This is the kitchen area. Now this kitchen here I'm surprised it's not a full kitchen. Well, they did provide burners and dishes and stuff like that, which is fine. We only here for the next 7 days. See, the bathroom is nice and spacious. Also, this leads to the master bedroom. You see the nice jacuzzi tub. And then we got 2 balconies here. And then we got the pool view. You can step right out on our balcony here. You see people out swimming today. It's gorgeous out here. Yeah. So there we go. Very nice. Got the bathrooms, got a grill. And there we have it. So I hope y'all enjoy this short video.
Yeah. But
So we're gonna go back in through this way. So there we have it, a little 1-bedroom luxury condo. We're getting ready to get out and enjoy this 88-degree weather. And like I said, this is our last week being snowbirds before we head back to Chicago. So I hope you guys enjoyed this short but brief video. Have a blessed day.